Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Quorra, your go-to destination for all things finance and markets. I'm John M. Anderson, your host today, and we're diving into a weekly financial forecast that's sure to get your attention. As we step into a new trading week, investors and market watchers are keeping a close eye on the performance of major indices like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite. These two indices serve as barometers of the U.S. economy, reflecting the health of various sectors and making them essential for forecasting trends and informed investment decisions. The S&P 500, also known as Standard & Poor's 500, tracks the stocks of 500 large-cap companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. It's a widely regarded benchmark for overall market health, covering sectors like technology, healthcare, finance, and consumer goods. On the other hand, the Nasdaq Composite is heavily weighted towards technology and internet-based companies, including giants like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Tesla. Now, let's talk about economic indicators. This week, we've got several key releases lined up that will shape market expectations. The jobs report from the U.S. Labor Department will be closely scrutinized, as a strong jobs number could bolster investor confidence, while disappointing numbers might trigger concerns about economic growth. We'll also be keeping an eye on inflation data, particularly in essential categories like food and energy, which can have a significant impact on consumer spending. Earnings season is another critical factor in market forecasting. A number of key companies are expected to report their quarterly earnings this week, including some that will provide valuable insights into the health of the tech sector. But what about geopolitical tensions and global events? Any developments related to trade agreements, international conflicts, or regulatory changes can have immediate implications for investor sentiment. We'll be monitoring these events closely, as they can significantly influence market dynamics. As we advance into the new week, both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are poised for potential fluctuations driven by economic indicators, corporate earnings, and geopolitical developments. At Quorra, we're always keeping an eye on the macroeconomic landscape and individual corporate performance to help you navigate the markets successfully. To stay updated on market movements, I recommend checking out financial platforms like ours, as well as market analysis reports and economic calendars that list upcoming data releases and corporate earnings announcements. And don't forget to subscribe to our Quorra newsletter for all the latest insights and updates. Stay informed, stay ahead of the curve. That's what it means to be on Quorra.